Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how we can use the LinkedIn company URL finder to get LinkedIn URL of company based on the company names. So basically the first thing you want to do is click try for free. You will be redirected to the Apify account in your console. Then you have company names input. So you can put, for instance, Tesla and Google and let's say Microsoft. You can adjust the speed if you want it to be fast or not. If you go faster, it's gonna sometimes trigger a bit of issues. That's why you want sometimes to slow it down, but you can just leave it as such. I click on save, I click on start. Of course, I want to rent it. You have like $5 of free credit anyway, so you can start for free. Then I click start. And I'm just going to wait a little bit. I agree. So now we're just waiting. And here we go. We've got like the 3 LinkedIn URLs of Tesla, Google, and stuff. You can have a look at the logs if you want some more details. You can see what you typed as a query. So like, let's say if we open the Tesla link, what it looks like. Okay, Tesla, good. Basically, you can come back to have like the whole description, so you can see anything you want to have more details, information on how to run it. Integrations, that's very useful to know. For instance, you can integrate with Gmail, with Make, with many other Apify actors. Issues, reviews, so that's basically it. You can also decide, you can use the API of course, and you can schedule the actor from time to time if you need. That's it. So, oh, one more thing, maybe you want to download the results. So let's come back to the crawl we just did. So we've got the results here. We've got all the fields if you need, but that should be good. And now I'm just going to download the results doing the export dataset. I can view in a table, actually in another tab, what it looks like. But if I want to download the CSV or the Excel, I click download, and it's gonna be in my laptop. That's it. Enjoy.